Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Now we will tell you news about Cardano. Cardano whales go on $ADA buying spree as developer activity surges. Whales on the Cardano $ADA blockchain have been on a buying spree, scooping up over 16 million tokens in only 24 hours, as developer activity on Cardano, as measured by GitHub commits, surges. According to cryptocurrency analyst Ali Martinez, first spotted by Daily Hodl, who cited data from on-chain analytics firm Santiment, Cardano addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million ADA have bought large amounts of tokens recently, seemingly taking advantage of a price dip as developers work on Cardano's decentralized finance ecosystem. The buying figures represent the largest single-day spike in Cardano whale accumulation in months, and comes at a time in which data shows that Cardano's developer activity so far this year is more than 7 times that of BTC, and has recently greatly surpassed that of Ethereum. Last month, Cardano's transaction volume also exploded to $12.7 billion over a short period, to more than double Ethereum's $6.3 billion transaction volume. Activity on the Cardano network has been surging over time, with the number of daily new addresses being created on the cryptocurrency's network jumping 167% on February 18, a metric that on-chain analyst Ali Martinez said generally precedes a spike in price volatility for ADA. The price of ADA has indeed seen its volatility surge, along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Its transaction volume and developer activity surged after the launch of SundaeSwap, which commands 98% of the total value locked on its DeFi ecosystem. Data from Binance Research shows that contributions to Cardano's GitHub have surged in November last year, ahead of its mainnet launch. Since then the number of addresses holding ADA also went up sharply, to hit a new 4.53 million all-time high last month, according to CryptoCompare's latest asset report. And second news today, according to recent data from Into the Block, only about 501,290 ADA addresses were flipped into the profit zone on the hell of its latest near milestone rally. At a current price of 89 cents, the latest figure represents a 4% decline from its year-to-date cost-value profitability analysis, which bestowed an additional 150,000 addresses in such green gains. Since the start of the year, Cardano has struggled to lift close to 80% of its total active addresses out of the no profitability zone. Even with an upward shift in its price, there still exists 4.3 million addresses, consisting mostly of addresses less than 6 months old who bought the peak, patiently hoping for a near $3 rebound. Back in September 2021, the Charles Hoskinson project had sniffed the decks of the much-coveted $3 value breakthrough after the announcement of its latest smart contract support hit mainstream. Its $3.10 sugar rush attracted close to 800,000 new addresses, which believed the periods of its 1,600% single-year value increase were enough to signal for a profitable invitation. While every single one of these new addresses has remained underwater over the last 6 months, there are still hopes that Cardano will reach the much-anticipated $5 strong mark, given the possibility of increased institutional adoption in 2022. An upside to its downside is the growing number of ADA holders, signified by a sharp drop in daily transactions in correlation with price. ADA has shed off close to 66% of its September transaction volume, which stood at $137.4 billion. Only $43 billion worth of ADA is currently making the traffic rounds. Beyond the rational assumption that ADA holders are learning to hold, this may most likely mean close to 80% of its total active addresses are not giving up on their current lost state, a good sign for the long-term aspiration of the self-acclaimed Ethereum killer. Internally, analysts have attributed Cardano's lack of significant institutional milestone achievements since its smart contract launch as a reason for a drawback on its momentum. But the fledgling altcoin, which sits pretty at the 9th spot, is also a victim of a flurry of US regulatory back and forth, including the forthcoming federal rates hike and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. Like other top cryptos, it has also taken a fair dent from the wave of inflation gripping the US and Europe. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.